Hello guys, here welcome to the 10th video in the series. So in the last video, this was what we had, and we now have the enemies have the ability to shoot at the player. We haven't set up collision detection between the enemy bullets and the player yet, so you can the bullets don't actually do anything just yet. Okay. Uh, so let's quickly, before I continue though, if you notice, if you run the game now, you discover that the player can't actually shoot at the enemies anymore. Okay, and that's because there's a lot of things we didn't do at the player class. So let me check that out in a minute. So here we're having we're having the get next event here. We're also trying to get another event here, which is very useless. Okay, so basically what I want to do here is I want to check if the timer event was fired, and then if not, get timer started. So this is going to be the timer. So we want to take pretty much okay, and I want that parenthesis right here. Okay. So basically, what I'm saying here is, if the timer is not started, then start the timer. I need to take this out, okay, of this place. So this needs to fire like independently. Alright, so if the timer is not started, we start the timer and then we fire bullet. We don't need this anymore. Okay, cool. Actually, I need it. Let me just put this in there. Yeah. So we start the timer and then we fire a bullet, and then we can fire another bullet once we know that the timer event got fired again. Let's test that and see that it's working. Okay, so now my player can fire back at enemies and try to kill them, of course. So there we go. You can see these ones are pretty difficult to kill because they're like I think level 4 or something. We also need a way to visualize that the enemy you're actually shooting at the enemies. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the recovering for the enemies to this class. Okay. So we're gonna need my pretty much Allegro events queue. Okay, call this event queue. I'm gonna do this quickly. Allegro timer timer. Alright, so we just want this paper to recover for a couple of minutes, pretty much. Okay, let's just do this right here. Recovering time. So this one's for the enemies, right? Alright. So when you get shoot at them, and I think it should be somewhere here. So where you get hit, document lies by 1. And now we're gonna do start timer. Cool. So I want theirs to stay on for like 0.5 seconds basically. Right? So let's see. Okay, so we need to get to next. We haven't even created the event queue and timer yet. So the event queue equals create event queue and recovery timer equals create timer. So this is going to be counting for 0.5 seconds, which is 500 milliseconds. Let's destroy those things. Okay, and then we'll destroy timer. And so after disposing of that, let's come back to our update, and we want to check if we're recovering. Okay, so we're gonna do like if get next event from the event queue, and so here we're gonna have an Allegro event. Pass that in. We've done this countless of times now, so you should know what all these things do. And And we have just one event in here, so we can just put that in there. And before I forget, we have to register the event. So register and source straight to the event queue. Get timer. So put that in there. Register event source. Not timer count, timer event source. Alright, cool. Now what do we have next? So we do this, and once this happens, then we're gonna call stop timer recovery timer, just like that. Okay, so this will stop timer, and we can get on with our business. So the next thing we want to do is what do we need this for anyways? We're just gonna come here and add a color. Okay, we already have a color for our ending. Alright, so in our render, let's take care of that and do if timer started, pretty much. So if the timer is started, if we're recovering, the timer is started, what do we want to do? We want to change this color to something. So I'm going to copy that. Color equals get zero not RGB. To use the curve. So this is going to be, let's just use red. Alright. So the next thing, I think there's already red. Let's just use white. Okay. 0.5 seconds, so we're going to put them as white. What did I set this color to? Okay, so well, since I'm setting the colors dynamically here, I think I should just come and make another color variable. That would be easy. Let's just use that. Okay. Now I'm going to come down here and so we're going to use recovery color. I'm going to set recovery color to equal to white. And so here we'll get started. Okay. Recovery timer. So the question mark right there, that's the ternary operator. So if the timer has started, we're gonna pass in the recovery color. And if not, then we're gonna use the number color. And you're gonna see what that looks like in a minute. I think that's all I need to add for that. So let's run this and see what we get. Okay. It's compiling. Now here we go. So now you can see when I shoot at them, you can see right for some minutes you see that everybody looks white right there. Okay, so everything seems to be working good. Okay, so when you shoot at them, everybody becomes white when you shoot at them, basically. So that's that. Okay, now they're dead. Okay, so I think that's all for this video. I just wanted to yeah, so in the next video we're gonna start with the level generation. Okay, so right now everything seems a little bit disorganized, so I'm gonna add levels and level timers and things like that. So I think by now you should get used to the concept of timers in Allegro 5 and the event queue. So you can use timers to generate events. You can also use the event queue to store generated events using the timer, and it makes timing and everything that relates to handling time easy using the timer in Allegro 5. So I hope this tutorial helped somebody. See you guys in the next one.